Welcome everyone and thank you so much for joining in. So before I start talking about this interesting scenarios that are being flashed looking at the price action of Bitcoin in a different time frame, I want you guys to quickly destroy that like button and let's try to reach 1000 like in this video, because video like this, takes a lot of time, takes a lot of energy. So if you guys appreciate what I'm doing in a daily basis, then please hit that like button and also leave a comment if you wish to support me even further. Now, if you look at this Bitcoin dominant chart, we can see, guys, holding Bitcoin right now could be more profitable, because if you look at the dominant chart, after forming this double bottom formation, after breaking out from the neckline, now this retracement, this pullback looks like forming a retest of the previous temporary resistance line. I mean, this line which previously acted as a line of resistance, acted as a support, and now if this is going to be a breakout from this descending channel or so-called a bull flag formation, then please be ready, because the price in our case has already broken out from this upper trend line, from this descending channel, and this could be looked as a continuation pattern, and the dominance could be heading towards 53-52%. That means holding Bitcoin right now could be more profitable than holding altcoins. And now we are aware the dominant chart is breaking out, which could be also an indication towards 27-28,000 before choosing a trend duration. Yes guys, the price objective from this broadening wedge or broadening bottom is around 27,900 to 28,000 range. So this is our price objective. And now if you look at this carefully, guys, the price of Bitcoin has not just only broken out from this key line of resistance, now we are also holding above it. That means this might be looked as a continuation pattern. Price of Bitcoin finding support above 26,500. I made it very clear on my previous video. It might be an indication the coming days for Bitcoin could be favoring the longs, and the price objective again is around 27,900 to 28,000 range before choosing an actual trend duration, because we know 28,000 is definitely looked as one of the most important line of resistance, and also the line from where we are going to decide the actual trend duration. Because if you look at the price structure right now in a very simple way, I mean in a daily time frame, the price of Bitcoin here is clearly flashing us a bullish divergence. RSI has started jumping above 50. MACD already a bullish MACD. T3CCI in a positive territory, which is giving us a clear sign the market in the medium short term might be favoring the longs. And if that happens, then we can look at this formation as a right angle broadening bottom type of formation. And in that case, we could be getting attracted towards this horizontal trend line, which is in between 27,000 to 28,000 before choosing a trend duration. Because we know if the price does get attracted towards 28,000, that means we will be also testing the resistance from this falling trend line. Yes, I know I showed this on my previous video, but if we look in our case, this falling trend line might be attracting us in between 27,000, 28,000, and if we break above that range, then we know the coming days for Bitcoin might be very bullish, and we will be invalidating the bearish scenario which is lining up parallelly. We know the price of Bitcoin looks like forming this Elliott wave formation. Motive number phase has already ended, and now this 1 2 3 4 5, right? And now we could be in this corrective letter phase where we could be forming lower highs, lower lows continuation pattern type of formation. And in our case, if the price of Bitcoin is going to follow this trend, I mean a move here to the upside towards 28,000, a move towards this horizontal trend line again between 28,000, the price objective from this broadening wedge or broadening bottom, right, around 28,000, that means we could be getting attracted towards this 0.5 Fibonacci line before choosing a trend duration, because getting rejection around 28,000 means this will be looked as a temporary relief rally, just like I shown you an example, right? Looked as a temporary relief rally like this towards point B, and then another continuation here to the downside. A, B, BC continuation pattern, just like as shown here in an example. And to avoid this, we have to find support above 28,000 at any cost. And parallelly, getting rejection around 28,000 will also indicate the market might not be ready for this actual impulsive movement that we've been waiting since months. I mean, the price of Bitcoin, if it fails to break out its 28,000 range, this could be looked as a continuation pattern, and in this continuation pattern could pull the price of Bitcoin around 20,000, 21,000 before choosing a trend duration like this. I mean, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin, even after the pullback, if it remains over 20,000, that will be looked as a temporary pullback, and price after that is expected to show another continuation here to the upside. And now, even if you look at this in a bit different way, now before I switch to other chart, I just want to quickly aware you guys about the bonuses which are available for our community members in the description down below. Bybit with 30,000 deposit bonus plus 1,000 USDT giveaway to our community members who sign up using this link within this month. Yes guys, you just have to follow a simple step to claim this 1,000 USDT giveaway. So if you want to grab this opportunity, the link to Phemex, the link to Bybit, OKX are all given in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. Feel free to grab this opportunity. Now let me switch the chart. So getting rejection around 28,000 parallelly will also flash us the price, in our case in a daily time frame, could be forming this dead cat bounce trading pattern, which is still on its way. I mean, which is still on its way to form another continuation to the downside, to form another lower low. So if the price of Bitcoin in the medium short term does shows impulsiveness, does breaks this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line, finds support over 28,000, then this bearish scenario gets invalidated, and price after that is expected to show another continuation like this, breaking the falling trend line resistance, led to another continuation, and we are expecting another move to happen in our case as well. And we know guys, we know it's not that easy for the price to continue this uptrend. Why? Because these lines here, 1, 2, 3 line, first is the top CPI line, central CPI line, bottom CPI line. These lines are going to act as a line of resistance because the price of Bitcoin is below it. So right now, if you look at this carefully, we are trying to find support of the bottom CP line, which is a very good sign, because if we can flip this 26,500 into proper support, then the next move is expected to be around the central line, which is sitting on 27,000, and then even the top line, this top CPI line, which is sitting in between 27,600 to 28,000 range. And if we can flip that into proper support, then you can see guys, the price of Bitcoin will also come across this September CPI, and that will be looked as a bullish continuation, because breaking the resistance around 28,000 will invalidate this bearish scenario, and price will also invalidate this corrective later phase, and we are expecting the price of Bitcoin after that to turn very bullish. And if you have doubt, let me show you this chart one more time. This is a yearly column. History shows Bitcoin has never had 2 consecutive red years in a row. And if you look at this from 2014, 2018, 2022, we are in this phase where we could be starting with an actual impulsiveness for the coming years. I mean, after the red year, you can see 1, 2, 3 impulsive year, and then again a corrective year. 1, 2, 3 impulsive year, and then again a corrective year. And now if this is going to play out again, then you can see after this year, the upcoming year is expected to be bullish according to history. And we also know in 2024 we have Bitcoin halving, which is another reason why the price for the coming years could be very bullish. So if you have any doubt, I want you guys to simply zoom out. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys, please destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit the subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye-bye.